Hey everyone! My name's Charlie, and I'm a grade 9 student at Danforth Tech. In today's video, we're going to be discussing density and all of the science that goes into it.
For this experiment, you'll need vegetable oil, water, food coloring, alka seltzer tablets, a measuring cup, and a glass or plastic bottle. I'm going to be using a glass. First off, pour half a cup of water into the measuring cup and color it with the food coloring. Choose a dark color, something like blue or green. Then, you're going to set that aside. Fill your drinking glass or plastic bottle about 3/4 full with vegetable oil. When you're done this, grab your colored water and pour it into the oil. Observe how the two separate, the water on the bottom and the oil on the top. Break your alka seltzer tablet up into 2 or 3 pieces and drop them one at a time into the glass. Do not eat any of the tablets. Your result should look something like this. To understand why this happens, we first have to understand density. Density is, essentially, how compressed matter is in an object. The oil rises above the water because it is less dense. When we drop the alka seltzer tablets into the water, they dissolve and release CO2. This CO2 comes out in little bubbles and attaches itself to the water, and then rises above the oil because it is less dense. When the bubbles reach the top, they pop, and the colored water falls back down, creating the lava lamp effect.
Try this experiment at home and tag Pueblo Science with your results. If you like this video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for lots more fun science content. Our Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok accounts also all share more science material. Well everyone, I hope you enjoyed the experiment. Bye!